It was nice working with Ignion, especially for the technology itself, because in a very tiny space with the antenna booster devices, we could use all these different frequencies that we needed, and also the designing process, and that's the most important part. I'm Israel Blanco, I'm the CEO of Cactus Engineering. We are a small company based in Barcelona, and we provide services as an engineering company. That means we develop electronics, hardware and firmware, and also embedded systems, Linux and Android systems, and cloud services. So we are a one-stop partner for a product that can take the whole stack of the solution. So the ski project, it came from a necessity of one of our clients who was designing a very innovative boot of ski. But he also needed some electronics to make some sense, to put some sensors on the plant of the ski boot, so the people who was skiing, the skier, could understand in real time how he was doing his effort, no? And also, this device, this electronic device, needed some communication to the cloud. That's where we needed the communication part. It was a really challenging project especially because of the mechanical specification. It was a tiny space and we needed some different kinds of communications. Local communications with BLE, Bluetooth, and also we needed direct to the cloud communications with Narrowband IoT. So in that tiny space, achieve that kind of features of communications was complicated. Okay, so this is the CGP project. This is a board that we offer that is part of our IoT platform, that its aim is to serve MVP projects from our clients. So we can provide a fast and cheap service to them so they can improve their technology. Here also we use the Ignion technology with the Oxion part, because then we could, in a really tiny space, have this technology properly configured and properly working. This is GPS and this is Narrowband IoT. It was nice working with Ignion, especially for the technology itself, because in a very tiny space with the antenna booster devices, we could use all these different frequencies that we needed, and also the designing process. And that's the most important part, because thanks to the cloud service, we could very fast come up with a solution that was good enough to start developing the next steps of the whole solution. The advantage of working with Ignion was especially using Oxion. I mean, the cloud service they provide in order to go fast to achieve a critical point of the design where you can check it and you can see if it's working or not with a very tiny amount of time. It's a reduced time compared to the competition.